Hey everybody, so I got a tiny quick little accessory haul for Dremel from Lowe's, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so today, or this was yesterday, I just didn't record it till today. Today is the 6th, I got these yesterday on the 5th. I was a little irritated, you know, everybody I guess is carrying these packs now. You used to be able to get these packs in just the Collate style you needed. It's a Collate nut kit. I only needed the Collate with the wide mouth for like the Dremel cutoff wheel accessories and stuff like that. But you know, even Walmart, I bought these and I went to Walmart to see if Walmart had any. Home Depot didn't have any at all. We're just gonna cut them open real quick. I'll show you what they are. I'm sure if any of you have ever used a Dremel, you guys know what these are. These are the Collates. These little silver pieces are the Collates, but they come in different hole sizes. And that one's a little bigger than this one. For different size shanks. This one's extremely small compared to the other two. So they're like they're in stages for sizes, and this one's like really wide right here. I only needed the really wide one. So, and these are $6 and like 40 something cents or something like that a piece. The receipt, they are $6.98 a piece, so they're almost $7, and I grabbed 4 of them. And all I needed was these really wide ones for the cutoff wheel shanks. And it's irritating that I had to pay almost $30. It was like, what was it after tax? It was $30.10, and all I needed was 4 of these. And it's nice that it comes with an extra collet, which is the thread collet, or the threader. What did it say on here? They call it the nut. So it comes with an extra nut. You know, the nuts are not a big deal. You can always use them, especially with the amount of accessories I have. I have 4 different Dremel models, and I have 4 different Dremel models, and I also have the Milwaukee. They're also known as, if you don't want to call it a Dremel, they're also known as rotary tools. This guy right here, and this is the Collate that I'm talking about. Like, some of these will not fit. Like this shank will not fit in this one without spreading the Collate open. Where on this one it won't fit at all. This is for like really small like drill bits, stuff like that. This really wide mouth one that I needed, it fits these Collates perfectly fine without, you know, and then the nut can grip this collet and lock this piece in. The problem I found is, for whatever reason, these are getting stuck. Some of them are getting stuck. Like this one looks like it's made of stainless, where these look like they're made out of aluminum. And I've noticed that the aluminum ones are adhering. That one won't even fit properly. There you go. I noticed that the aluminum ones are actually adhering because of heat to the actual shaft on this Milwaukee for some reason. And I actually had to take a pair of like super fine jewelry style needle nose, and I had to break it and pull it out. It came out in 4 different pieces. But Where's the stain? There's the stainless one I had. But yeah, so I picked these up just in case, because I know I actually had to take this stainless steel Collate that I just put back in one of these. I had to take it out of another tool. So that's why I picked these up. I don't need the other sizes, but you know, it's not a big deal. I remember you used to be able to buy these in like 10-15 packs from Dremel with just the size Collate you needed. But none of the stores carry those. I could probably always just call Dremel and tell them, you know, I'm looking for these, and see if they still sell them in the larger packs. And you don't normally go through these very often. These are not like hugely consumable items. You know, if you take care of your tools, more than likely you're not going to consume them. But I end up putting these in my Dremel bag in one of those organizer boxes I have. And you know, so I ended up with 4 of each size, you know, and then 4 Collate nuts for my Dremel tools. The rotary tools, they take the same. These nuts will fit on a Black & Decker, they'll fit on a Milwaukee, a Dremel, you know, every brand that makes a rotary tool, these will fit on. They're all the same thread pitch. So it's just what I picked up. It's kind of annoying that they're $6. You know, it probably only took them like 2 cents to make these from Dremel. You know, you got like 8 cents total in the package, and you know, maybe $1 for the nut. You know, they could have charged $2-3, you know, max for these packs. They're small packs, but I do appreciate you guys sticking around. Again, this is these packs I found at Lowe's. Home Depot carried the same one, they just didn't have any in stock. And Walmart had them as well, but they were actually more expensive at Walmart. I think they were like $6.99 or $7.20, something like that. So I didn't pick them up at Walmart. I only needed 4 of them just as backups, but the part number for these is 4485 if you guys need any. Appreciate you guys stopping by and hanging out with me today. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. And I just got approved for a Ohio Power Tools affiliate link, so I'll probably be dropping some Ohio Power Tool affiliate links down below as well. Appreciate you guys' time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!